Good morning student. In previous class we have discussed about the concept of LCM. Now today we will learn to find addition of fraction and we need to take LCM in these questions. Now let us start. 1 by 6 plus 3 by 5. Note 6 and 5 are denominator and 1 and 3 are numerator of these fraction. Here you can see that 6 and 5 are different denominator, so directly we can't add these fraction. Now we need to take LCM firstly of these denominators 6 and 5. Now what will be LCM of 6 and 5? Here you can see that 2 3 are 6, 5 will remain same because it not divisible by 2. 3 1 are 3, 5 again will remain same. Now 5 1 are 5. Now what is LCM? 2 3 are 6 and 6 5 are 30. Now LCM is 30. Now step second, we need to do same denominator. How can we make 6 to 30 by multiply 5? So we will multiply first fraction both numerator and denominator by 5 plus then second fraction by 6. 3 6 multiply 5 multiply 6. Now what will be? 5 1 are 5, 6 5 are 30 plus 3 6 are 18 upon 5 6 are 30. Now easily we can add these fraction. Now 5 plus 18 equal to 23 and denominator is 30. Now what is answer? 23 by 30. So how can we add fraction if their denominator are different? What we will learn? We have learned that first step we will take LCM. After that we will do same denominator by making equal to LCM. Then we can add. Let us consider another sum. 3 by 14 plus 2 by 7. Here you can see 3 by 14. Which type of fraction? You can see that numerator is less than denominator. In same fraction, numerator is less than denominator. So both are proper fraction. Now first step, similarly as a first question, we will take LCM of 7 and 14. What will be the LCM of 7 and 14? 2 7 are 14. 7 will remain same. 7 1 are 7. 7 1 are 7. Now LCM of 7 and 14 will be 14. Now we will multiply first fraction to make 14 by 1 because denominator is already 14 and 7 2 are 14. So we will multiply by 2 up and down. Now 3 1 are 3, 14 1 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 7 2 are 14. Now we can easily add them. 3 plus 4 equal to 7 by 14. Now addition of these fraction will be 7 by 14. You can see here this is not simplest form. Now we can reduce this fraction into simplest form. 7 1 are 7 and 7 2 are 14. Now we can write 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? Now third question. 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 and 1 by 18. These fraction, which type of? Mixed fraction. What type of fraction? Mixed fraction. And you know only improper fraction can be changed into mixed fraction. Now how can we change these mixed fraction firstly into improper fraction? Now we need to do 12 multiply 3 plus 1. What is? Firstly we will multiply 12 by 3, then we add 1. So 3 multiply 12 plus 1 upon 12. Similarly 18 multiply 2 plus 1 by 18. Now 12 3 are 36 plus 1. What will be? 37. Now 18 2 are 36 plus 1. What will be? 37. Now here you can see numerator is same but denominator is different, 12 and 18. So similarly we will take firstly LCM of these fraction. Now what is LCM of 12 and 18? Here you can see that 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. 2 3 जा 6, 9 will remain same, 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, and 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3. Now what will be LCM? Here you can see that LCM of 12 and 18 will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, 12 3 जा 36. Now we will multiply first fraction by 3 and second fraction by 2, because as you know 12 3 जा 36 and 18 2 जा 36. Now 37 multiply 3, 12 multiply 3 plus 37 multiply 2, 18 multiply 2 equal to 111 plus 30 upon 36 plus 74 upon 36 equal. Now we will add 111 plus 74 equal to 185 upon 36. Now in this class we learn to find the addition of given fraction. When denominator is different, we need to take LCM, and to do same denominator then we can add fraction. Is it clear? Now do practice for these ones.